Every year, PennDOT challenges local governments to think creatively through the Build a Better Mousetrap contest, a statewide competition highlighting simple, cost-effective innovations that solve everyday problems in transportation. From road safety to maintenance, it's all about smarter solutions that work and can be shared across communities. The 2026 Pennsylvania entry is South Londonderry Township in Lebanon County for their DIY speed tables.
The challenge was we have basically a drag strip on Woodlawn Avenue here in SLT, and what happened was we had some complaints come in. We did the appropriate traffic studies, found that the speed limit in that area is 25 miles an hour. We found that there was a 85th percentile speed of 36 miles an hour. So that met the criteria for and warranting for doing something on that road as far as traffic calming was concerned with there. And we took some baby steps. We applied line striping first, let that go. Didn't prove to do anything, and we ended up coming to the conclusion that we needed to do speed tables. So we looked at a couple different options. We looked at the rubber ones that you can buy online, and it was an astronomical amount of money. I mean, I think it was $30,000 total for two. It was ridiculous. So then we looked at doing it through the contractor by getting estimates from our engineers to industry standard costs. And then we thought that was pretty outrageous, and we needed to have this done as soon as possible. And wanted to get that result for our residents as soon as possible, so we decided to do it ourselves. And then that's when our guys just came up with a very creative way of producing a quality product.
Thinking about this project, we were like tossing the idea of why couldn't we do this ourselves? And we started playing around with the idea of concrete forms. Well, they're obviously too big, so we decided that we could just make our own.
It's a 10-foot table with 6-foot ramps, following the PennDOT specs. We came up with a solution on building a frame to make the table, and then the frame would come off, then we made the ramps. If you'd outsourced it, it would have cost for two of them would have been $18,000. In-house, it cost us a little over $5,000.
So after we applied the traffic calming solution, which was the speed tables, we ended up seeing an end result of an 85th percentile speed of 30 miles an hour